advertising optimization for furniture marketplace. In comparing with turtles, this is totally practical, and I believe it will make life of your customer a little bit better. Stage is yours.
Good morning. My name is Jiří, and with my colleagues, Kaya, Mark, and Varya, we would like to show you our presentation about advertising optimization furniture marketplace. Okay. In this presentation, we will show you the problems of e-shops, obstacles of startups called Tenalgo, and our solution for Tenalgo. Therefore, our client is not e-shops, but Tenalgo itself. This is Honzik. Honzik is owner of furniture e-shop. And he's happy because his revenue in first month for given his products on marketplace is 500,000 Czech crowns. By the way, marketplace is a place where e-shops can promote their products. You may know Amazon or Fave for furniture. Problem is that costs are higher than revenue. So now Honzik is sad because his profit is in negative numbers. How did it happen? Honzik has to add hundreds or thousands of products to marketplace, but he doesn't know which product is better to promote or what amount of bids to use. Bids is price of one click on the product on the marketplace. The higher amount you give, the higher Fave displays you on the page. And the more likely you are to get a customer to click on your product, look at the product, and may or may not buy the product. Fave often recommends higher bids, even though it would mean your e-shops losing money. Honzik has all data about the products, but he doesn't understand them and he doesn't know how to use them. So now another came here and
it's time for young startup Tenalgo. Anička from Tenalgo will utilize all the data from Market Shop and solve the Honzik's problem. Yes, Anička from Tenalgo has an algorithm that downloads all the data from Favi and calculates all the bids. After, downloads them to the Favi website. However, it's not so perfect. The process takes quite a long time, about 2 hours for one e-shop, and they can be run in parallel. Even she has time for coffee. Anička has to be at the monitor, click manually from one to one stage an algorithm and to control the process. Anička dreams about the better algorithms that can save her time and do everything automatically. Tenalgo needs to expand the number of e-shops to grow and worries that at some point they be able to take on a new customer, but because it doesn't have enough resource. Since these more e-shops, Tenalgo needs more Aničkas.
I'm sorry. So now I would like to introduce our solution. So our solution has 2 parts. Firstly, automation, and secondly, the new bidding algorithm. With automation, Anička from Tenalgo will be happy. Why? Because she doesn't need to worry about influx of new customers anymore, and she will have more time to do more important things in her life. With the new algorithm, both the Anička from Tenalgo and the e-shops will be more happy. Why? Because from the current revenue, which is already good, but from the current profit, we will achieve an even higher profit because the algorithm is better. So now you are asking us, so what data architecture have you created? So this is the overview of the data architecture, and here you can see the automation in Kabula and then with Python Anywhere, and here you can see the new algorithm. It is calculated in Kabula, and we have really inspected the data and the whole algorithm to create it. And we will talk more about it in the next slide. So we have two data sources, Google Analytics and data source of Favi website. The data from Google Analytics are financial data, and they are uploaded to Kabula. Favi website, there are data from currently sold products and the bids for products, also for the categories. They are scraped automatically by Python Anywhere. Those scraped data are then uploaded to Google Drive. And from Google Drive, they are then again uploaded to Kabula. In Kabula, we use SQL, Snowflake, and Python to join the tables. And then we use the new algorithm to calculate better bids. So now you are asking us, the algorithm, why is it better? There are three reasons. Firstly, we are utilizing the data for categories. Secondly, we have decided to create different calculations for new products and for old products. And thirdly, each bid is calculated with addition of seasonality. And lastly, after a thorough data inspection, we see that we should do lower bids in night periods, and it will save Tenalgo and the client a lot of money.
Yeah, and how much it all costs? Only $5. The project costs us only $5. That's because subscription on Python Anywhere costs $5. And in Kabula, we used the free mode because our solution is not that data heavy. And if we look at the benefits for Tenalgo, the main benefit is shown here and here. The difference is in the trend when new clients come to Tenalgo, how much time it will cost to Tenalgo to take care of them. For their current solution, they grow linearly with number of clients. With our new solution, they grow significantly slower. We did also a comprehensive model of costs and benefits, but here is just an overview of them. And as I said, the main benefit is time saved for Tenalgo. And we can see that even though implementation would take slightly more time for each client, then each week the amount of work is significantly reduced with our new solution. And with our solution, we make not only Anička from Tenalgo happy, which can focus more on acquiring new customers for her startup, and also Honzik from eShop more happy, because the new improved algorithm will provide more profits to his eShop. And here is a summary what we said today. We show that the e-shops have problem advertising on the marketplace, that Tenalgo provides a solution for them, but has its own obstacles because they're doing most of the work manually. And we shown our solution for the Tenalgo problems. And the last point was costs and benefits, some short overview of them. And that's all from us. Thank you for your attention, and we're looking for feedback and questions.
Thank you very much. Any questions? Do you have any questions, anyone? Ota?
So your solution is already in production in Tenalgo, or what's the status?
Yeah, we shown our solution to Tenalgo, and we put it into production for one client for the next month, because they said that it is really volatile, the demand, and therefore they have to test it for a longer period of time. So that's up to for July and the next month.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much. My question would be, if you won the final prize, what would be the first step? How would you use the financial reward?
I'm not sure I understand. Yeah, if we won the final prize, actually we haven't thought about it. We just did the project. We focused on the presentation. We tried it a lot of times, so we didn't have time to think about the prize, actually.
Well, if you get to the final, in the meantime, think about that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So my question is, what's different about your solution? As far as I know, there are similar things on the market already. Why are you unique?
Yes, we are unique for Tenalgo because the new data architecture, they don't have skills to implement such a thing by their own. And the second thing why we provided a unique solution is the description of the new algorithm that are free and plus one more new findings that we found in the data that can be used to make the algorithm much better.
Okay, thank you. So if there are no other questions, thank you very much.